Peter, we also spend a lot of time on maturing the methodology for implementing our solutions for value, right?
Yes, for MineRP to move from the old way of just implementing technology, it was quite a challenge for us to get the right method. And by doing that, we realized that just focusing on the technology will not solve the problem for us. We need to understand what's the value that we're going to unlock through the technology. And if there's no value that we can see, then it's not necessary for us, or there's no need for us to do any implementation on that side. Yeah. So in that process, we focus on adoption and entrenchment. And that's just to simplify that. And if you focus on the adoption, it's all people and process that we need to get in line. And then when you start focusing on the technology side, just to get to adoption, but the most important thing to keep it, to get a sustainable view of that, you need to entrench value, and you need to focus on the value side. So that's we've got a quite good methodology, proven, tested in this space, and it's we can see the results on the method. It's working.
Now, speaking of proven and tested, we did this proving and stress testing essentially of the application in a variety of mining methods and commodities and even regions, right? It's not only focused on one type of mining.
Yes, over the last 24 months, John mentioned the technology and where we are with the platform side. We spent a lot of time out of the narrow reef tabular ore body that we used to operate in all the other methods. Surface mining, surface mining is pit and strip mining, underground operations, long hole open stoping, block caving, sub-level caving, bore and pillar. And we've got proven results that the platform can serve all these different mining methods.
That's fantastic.
It'd be something that I was thinking of. If you're going to look at what happened in the last year, up until 2017, we had this mindset of having to implement everything. It was a technology implementation. Yeah. And I think the relationship with customers and chasing value, pursuing value, has actually simplified our business because we go into a specific value pursuit. This is the value case. That's what you need to do to implement it. And that's what you're going to get as an outcome. Doing that has simplified our business. It's matured our methodology. And we're at the point now where you chase individual pieces of value and you collect them to give you the value of the total implementation. Yes. Really cool.
And part of this whole method side, before we start off with the project, we spent a certain amount of time, 4 to 6 weeks on site, working with the client, understand what's their real problem. Never discussed any technology that we're going to implement. Focus on the business side. All about the mining side.
It's not about tech after all.
Yeah, focus on the business problem. And as soon as you understand those things, then we can get the dollar value on the improvement side. And then we know how to configure the platform to solve the problem.